And finally I start using the garage. I'm starting with fixing my dirt bike for the summer. The snow starts melting, it feels like summer is around the corner. And this frame cracked last summer here, and there was a little crack here, and I got it welded. So now I just putting all together again. I also replaced the piston and cam chain while I was at it, and some steering stem bearings. And I also got some vibration and rubber parts in the engine oil last summer. And I think it was this clutch basket. Inside here there are some rubber bushings to keep this. And if I do like this, you can see that it's moving. So hopefully this was the cause of the vibration and also the rubber parts. So let's replace that one. Starting by greasing the steering stem bearings and put all together. So it seems to run anyway. So it's just to keep going with the plastic and just the rest of the stuff that goes on. So I'm just gonna do that. I've been away for a weekend and testing it for a couple of hours maybe, and it's all seemed to work pretty good. The engine is running fine and the weld is keeping together so far. The only thing is the forks are leaking a bit, especially the left fork here. You can see the oil. Also on my left boot there is oil. So I'm gonna clean it up and replace the seals in the forks. That's pretty much it. as always, thanks for watching. I know this video was a little different, not building or anything, but this is what the garage is for, and I just wanted to show some of that. There is still stuff left to do in the garage. I can't still see out, for example. I need to remove this temporary wall and put some panel on the outside here. And paint the windows. I also need to finish my balcony. I don't have the railing, or I don't have a way to get up there yet. Still thinking of ideas if I will be just a stair on the walls or lift or anything. So yeah, see you next time.